Alright, so yes, this is my last Threadbeast box. I'm going to get into why that is, what exactly is my reasoning behind that decision, and what exactly is in this final box from Threadbeast. At the end of this video, if there's anything in here that I don't want or I'm not planning to sell, drop down in the comments what exactly you want, and I'm going to be picking people from the comments to give that stuff away to. Yeah, we're going to get into all of that. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the video right now. Really quickly here, let me take a minute to explain to you why this is going to be my last Threadbeast box. For one, I just haven't been impressed by all the stuff that I got in it. Now, there is one thing from the first video that I got. It was a Herschel backpack that I actually use every single day. But again, at that time, I needed a backpack. But that it's still the best thing I've gotten from these boxes so far. And actually, there is a box before this that I got that I was somehow lost the footage of that video. So that was going to be it. So this is going to be my last box. But fortunately, whenever you go to cancel Threadbeast, you got to call them, and it's not really difficult, but they're like, hey, we can actually put you on a hold for 3 months, so we won't charge you, but in 3 months, we'll send you another box. So that's what I did. And within those 3 months, they keep sending you, hey, if you renew now, we'll throw $50 extra, we'll throw $60 extra in your box. I didn't want to do that for the purposes of this video because I wanted to see what exactly you're still getting even after 3 months. I didn't want to be enticed. I didn't want to add to the box. I wanted to just show exactly what somebody is getting for the $85. This is the essential package. I think it's $85. But yeah, I just haven't been impressed with the stuff that I got in here. I really don't use much of it. There's a couple items throughout the 4 or 5 boxes that I got that I use. But other than that, none of the stuff I really use. Some of the stuff I've sold, some of the stuff I've donated. But overall, I just haven't been able to use them as much as I thought. That's just a short answer of why exactly I'm canceling Threadbeast. Unless this box completely just gets me off. Like this has got to be some type of box for me to keep getting charged $85 a month for. So yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's crack into this and see what's inside. I'm gonna show you guys first. There's some paper, of course. There's the paper. I'll put it over. Oh, can y'all see? There's another paper. No, I think I feel jeans. Is that jeans? Am I right? Is there jeans in here? All right, let's go first here. Of course. Oh, they're not jeans. Let me close this so I don't see what's inside. Don't show me. It is some Calvin Klein jorts. Got some jorts, baby. Look, I already don't got style. How the hell will rock some jorts? At the very least, at least there's some Calvin Klein jeans. I could probably sell these. But man, I can't rock jorts. Whoever's out there that can rock jorts, drop that down in the comments who's still rocking jorts. Like, what do you wear with this? Like, I used to wear South Pole and like Fat Farm with jorts. That's the longest memory I have with jorts. Yeah, they're pretty nice. Some Calvin Klein jean shorts. It's very different from anything I've ever gotten. I don't know. Oh, really quick, they did throw in some stickers, some Threadbeast stickers in here. That's pretty cool. But yeah, Calvin Klein jeans. Let me know what you think of the jorts. If you're still rocking jorts, much respect to you, man, because I don't think I can rock these. I think that's like a minor. Nah, I'm not gonna say L, but you know, I don't know if I can rock those. All right, we got some Crooks and Castles joggers. I'm not saying joggers are bad, but man, I just don't have style. Now these, I do like this color. I do like this color, but I really like, you know, there's different kinds of pants now that have like the cuff, like the zip, like not the zip tie, the what's it called? You know what I'm talking about? The strings, and you pull them, and they cuff the jeans and stuff. These don't have that. I still have like one pair of joggers. I used to wear joggers a lot in high school, but this is some Crooks and Castle like sand color joggers. Pretty nice. They're not bad. These are a size. Oh, also, if it just to drop the sizes, the pant or the jean shorts is a waist 32. That's what I am. It's a straight waist 32. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this yet, but these Crooks and Castle ones are a straight waist 32 as well. So Crooks and Castle, some jean shorts. I'm not saying that I absolutely love this so far, but the only thing I do love that it's not shirts. I have a bunch of shirts, so I'm glad I have something else to try and pair something with. What kind of shoes do you wear joggers with? Can you drop that down in the comments? That's a legit question. I really don't know. Do you wear low? Like I used to wear Vans, like black Vans or something with joggers, and I don't think that looked good at all. But I'm different. I'm a lot older now, so I don't know if that's still a thing. If you guys are avid jean shorts wearers, please drop down what I can wear with those. Next that we have is this shirt. It's with a wolf and a lightning bolt in it. They call it Chomp. Now, I don't know what this brand is. It's called Chomp, but I do like this shirt for one, because Chomp is the name of Russ's album, and you guys know I'm a big fan of Russ if you've ever seen the channel. But Russ is there's really a wolf. His other album, there's really a wolf. So it kind of, I like this. I would wear this. Somehow I would wear this. I am not upset by this whatsoever. You check that out. Again, Chomp. I've never heard of this brand. I never heard. I know like a lot of this. I know a lot of these are just like either just overstock or just like brands that just couldn't sell any of their merchandise to stores and whatnot. But still, I've never heard of Chomp. So let's take this out because this is looking me right in the face. We got this Us versus Them Khalifa's Riot Squad regular trademark articles of resistance hat. Check that out. What you looking like? It got a snapback on that freaking brim again. Why they keep giving me this brim, dude? Oh man, check that out. If you guys can see that right there. We got a nice little sword, or what is that? A machete and a palm tree right there, and cutting down some wild. You know, if you're living out Lonely Island style, you know what I'm saying? Pretty cool hat. Again, red. I wear black hats, you know what I'm saying? Let me pop this on for you guys really quick. Hold on. Gotta do the hat change. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. That was a shitty transition. Let's just put this on. God dang, man. I feel like there's like an empty space in this part of the, like there's no population in this side of the hat. Like there's air in here. Like this is all air. But yeah, I don't know if I can sell this. This is probably something I'm probably gonna give away. So if you guys like this hat, you know, drop that down in the comments if you like this hat. Again, never heard of this brand, Khalifa's Riot Squad. Us versus Them. If you want that, drop that down in the comments. Last item of this box, and it better wow me because Threadbeast, this is gonna justify why I'm canceling you in the first place. Let's see. It's another shirt, white shirt, a Nautica white tee. What? A Nautica white tee? What am I in 8th grade, dude? Oh my gosh. And I hate Nautica long sleeve because of the cuff. This. Oh man, that's what you ended me with? A Nautica white tee? Now this is clean white tee, but it's just because it's brand new. But like, oh man, that's unfortunate. I only say that because Nautica white tees are like $10 now at the Nautica store, like the outlets. Like you can get them pretty cheap. And man, I mean, this is clean. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not knocking Nautica. I used to wear all in like my like expensive brands that I wore were Nautica, were Polo. Like all of that was in my Rolodex in school what I was wearing. But I mean, it's kind of clean. It's not bad. Oh, you know what this is good for? I'll tell you what, this is good for Christmas. So I'm actually glad I got this. This with like a nice vest, like a fall vest, huh? With some like, maybe with these pants, maybe with my jorts. You never know. Throw that together. I don't know. It wasn't, I don't think this, if you guys think all this is enough for me to keep continuing with Threadbeast, you let me know. I will say though that they do mix it up pretty well. Like in relation to my first box and to this box, like the first box was like accessories, and then the second box was just like all like summer wear, and then the third box was like all shirts, and like this one's got it's got a jean short, Calvin Klein jean shorts with some Crooked Castle joggers, 2 shirts and a hat. Like I do like that they mix it up. I'm not completely dogging Threadbeast. My final thoughts from all these boxes and then this final box. Overall, I've given the Threadbeast experience probably a C+. C+ is passing. C+ is a 76. If I get a 76 in a class, like I'm pretty happy with that. That means it was a class that was hard, but I was smart enough to like able to pass it. Like, I'm not dumb, you know what I'm saying? Like 1 or 2 questions and I'm getting a B, you know? But yeah, overall, it's just not stuff that I just typically wear, and a lot of it, is just getting the surprise and getting like, oh, what's it gonna be this time, and really stepping outside your comfort zone of stuff that you wouldn't want to get or try to get, and then just kind of experiment. But like, these hats don't look good on me. I know people, oh, if you guys say maybe it did, I don't know. But like the shirts, most of the shirts are, I only wear like 2 shirts from the previous boxes, and I'll wear these 2, so that's not bad. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the jean shorts and the joggers, but I got some stickers in the final box. I'm gonna probably end up canceling, like I said. Yeah, another thing, I'm just running out of storage in my closet to keep getting clothes like every month. So this is going to be my final Threadbeast video, unless I got already charged for the next one, then that'll be the last one, but I'm pretty sure this will be the last one. So yeah, all in all, just not for me. Maybe it's for you. It's a lot of things that I don't wear a lot. So there's more stuff that I don't wear than there is that I do wear. And I don't think the price justifies that enough for me to keep spending $85 a month on Threadbeast. I'm not saying they're bad. I'm not saying they are trash. If you want to say that, that's on you, but they mix it up pretty well. They do their best to try and, you know, they don't know who you are, so they try as best as they can to look at your style profile and throw you stuff that, one, you either not comfortable with and you're stepping outside your comfort zone, and matching that profile that you give them on there. Yeah, the service itself, it's fine. I don't have any problem with it. The price is fine. It's just the stuff in the thing. I do think it's worth the money. I do think it's like the value's there. Again, just not for me as far as daily wear, because I don't really wear this stuff, as much stuff as I thought I would when I first started the Threadbeast program. But yeah, that's gonna be the last Threadbeast video, at least for a while. I probably won't be getting these anymore. I'm gonna wait maybe 6 months, maybe next year. I'll try it again and see if there's any like update to the website or to the Threadbeast like boxes for some reason. Then I'll jump back in. Let me know if there's any of this stuff that you would like. Drop that down in the comments. I will be giving that away in my next video or so, or sometime on the channel. I'll make an announcement that I'm giving these away. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram right here. Subscribe to the channel. Please like it if you enjoy any of the videos and content. And without further ado, I will see you on the next one. Remember to flip that trash into cash. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.